News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Rashtriya Military School, Bengaluru, Directorate of Education, UT Administration of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Narcotics Control Bureau, Odisha Maritime Academy, Paradeep, Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati, Directorate General of Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Indian National Science Academy, National Rainfed Area Authority, and Gems and Jewelry Sector, Special Economic Zone. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following post on direct recruitment basis at Rashtriya Military School, Bengaluru. 3 posts of lower division clerk, 1 post of lab attendant, 2 posts of MTS peon, 1 post of MTS mali, 3 posts of MTS watchman, 4 posts of MTS safaiwala, 1 post of washerman and 1 post of table waiter. Closing date for receiving of application will be 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. Principal reserves the right to change the number of vacancies if necessary. Application form may be downloaded from the school website www.rashtriyamilitaryschools.edu.in. Caution for all applicants. Some unscrupulous elements may approach you with the assurance of procuring appointments for you through illegal gratification. You must not fall prey to such false assurance or exploitation and must not entertain or encourage such elements in any way. It is emphasized and reassured that selection test will be done on merit only in a transparent manner. Directorate of Education, UT Administration of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu invites applications to engage one planning, monitoring and evaluation consultant on short-term contractual STC basis under Samagra Shiksha. The details for the same have been uploaded on official website, that is www.daman.nic.in. Narcotics Control Bureau invites application from professionals and consultants for the following posts for engagement as consultant purely on short-term contract basis. 1 post of expert or consultant in the field of financial investigation and financial analysis, and 1 post of expert or consultant in the field of construction-related activities. Details regarding eligibility, RFP, etc. are available on Narcotics Control Bureau's website www.narcoticsindia.nic.in and at Central Public Procurement Portal CPP Portal. Application forms duly completed in all respect may be submitted to Narcotics Control Bureau Headquarters, New Delhi within 45 days of publication of this advertisement. Odisha Maritime Academy, Paradeep invites applications for the following post: 1 post of principal, 1 post of faculty engineer and 1 post of instructor engineering. Applications should be submitted to Odisha Maritime Academy, Paradeep within 15 days of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please refer to the website www.odishamaritime.com. Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati, an autonomous institute under Ministry of Education, Government of India, invites applications from Indian nationals for the following staff positions: 1 post of Executive Engineer Civil, 1 post of Assistant Executive Engineer Civil, 1 post of Assistant Executive Engineer Electrical, 2 post of Technical Officer, 1 post of Technical Officer Systems, 1 post of Medical Officer, 1 post of Deputy Librarian, 1 post of Horticulture Officer, 3 posts of Junior Technical Superintendent, 4 posts of Junior Technician, 1 post of Deputy Registrar, 2 posts of Assistant Registrar, 1 post of Junior Hindi Assistant Grade 1 and 4 posts of Junior Assistant. Applications are received online only. For detailed advertisement, please visit the website www.iittp.ac.in, and for online application portal link, please visit recruitment.iittp.ac.in/staff. Last date for submission of online applications is 29th January 2021. Last date for receipt of applications for 13 posts of Deputy Director of Training, Women Cadre on deputation basis under Directorate General of Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, whose advertisement was published in Employment News dated 17th October 2020, stands extended. Applications for this post, complete in all respects, can be sent within 20 days from the date of publication of this notice in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Full details of the vacancy are also available on the website www.dgt.gov.in. Candidates who have already applied should submit remaining documents, if any, within the extended time limit. Indian National Science Academy invites applications in the prescribed pro forma from qualified and experienced employees of central and state government departments, union territories, autonomous organizations, statutory bodies, universities and science and technology institutions for appointment to one post of Executive Director on tenure or deputation or short-term contract basis. Other important conditions and application format is available on the website www.insaindia.res.in. Last date for receipt of application is 27th January 2021. Reference is invited to National Rainfed Area Authority's vacancy circular of even number published in the Employment News issue of 22nd to 28th August 2020, seeking applications from willing and eligible officers working under central government or state governments or union territories or universities or recognized research institutions or public sector undertakings or semi-government or statutory or autonomous organizations for filling up one post of Director, Animal Husbandry and Fisheries on deputation, including short-term contract basis. The last date for receipt of applications is extended up to 15th February 2021. Other contents of the earlier advertisement shall remain same. Applications are invited from willing and eligible candidates for filling up one post of Assistant Development Commissioner on deputation basis in Gems and Jewelry Sector Special Economic Zone at Sitapura, Jaipur, Rajasthan, under the jurisdiction of Development Commissioner NSEZ, Noida. The last date for receipt of applications through proper channels shall be on or before 60 days from the date of publication of the vacancy circular in Employment News. Eligibility conditions and other details are given in the vacancy circular, which is available under the vacancy page on the website www.nsez.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.